I love it when I'm right. As soon as I got done with work, I was on a mission. Took the dead fish back, got the 10, 30 gallon, 10 gallon, 30 gallon, and guess what? The red light came on, it stayed on for at least 30 seconds, half a minute, maybe longer, maybe a minute, which is good. The other one came on for 15 seconds, went off, and that one never came back on. And then I'm like, okay. It was on there for a while, but now it went off. Now what? I was going to reach in there to see, touch it to see if it was hot. I waited. I give it faith. I give it trust. I waited. Waited. Boom. It came back on. It's off right now. It's off right now. You guys won't see it though. No, you won't see it. It's a bag in the way. Here, I'll move the bag so you see it. I got a new Osker. Got a red one. Maybe the name cursed it. It died. So cursed it. Billy Jr. I'm gonna call this one Big Red. Just like myself with a Big Red. Now wait for it. Let's see. You should see it. Come on. Wait for it. Wait for it. So I believe when I first saw the heater, I opened it up and looked at it, and it had a big black spot on it. I didn't like that. It looked like it was burnt. And on the box it says, do not plug in unless it's submerged in water. Well, if somebody plugged it in when it was not submerged in water, burnt it out. There you see it? See the red light? Do y'all see it? Oh shit, here. Do y'all see that? Do you see it now? Do you see it? A little bit, right? You see it, right? You see it? See the red dot? Huh? See the little red dot? Watch, you'll see it go out. It's in that dark shaded area. Watch. Can you see it? Can you see the red light? I'm gonna watch. Let's see. I see it. Watch. It's warming up that water. And that's only a 20-gallon tank, so it shouldn't take that long. Then it went out, see? Oh, it went out. Okay. Okay. I was right. I was right. I love it when I'm right. One of these days I'll set up my new bed set. A new comforter set. Yeah, new comforter set. Black and red. Oh, I shouldn't have told you that. Not a surprise. Okay. So Big Red. May he or she live. And even the lady looked at it in its eyes and looked at it real good. And she just fed him. But she looked right at it and says, well, maybe May you live healthy and strong. She said that. She was an older lady, so she looked right at the fish before she gave it to me. May you live long and strong. Amen. All right, Big Red. So, may you live long and strong. I'm happy now. Got a new fish, new heater, water heater that works. I believe that one was burnt out. Yeah, because it's been 3 days and the water was still fucking cold. Sorry about the language, but it was still cold. That's why the fish died. Okay, going on 6 minutes. Carl Kish subscribe. Yeah, sang today at work.